Colds and chronic coughs are two of the most common health problems that people face throughout the year. Colds can be annoying but are often temporary, while chronic coughs may indicate a deeper health problem. In this article, we will review effective ways to treat colds and deal with chronic coughs comprehensively. Cold treatment. Colds are viral infections that affect the upper respiratory tract and are often accompanied by symptoms such as nasal congestion, sore throat, and headache. Here are some tips for treating them. Rest. It is recommended to get enough rest to give the body a chance to recover. Avoid strenuous activities that may increase the recovery period. Drink fluids. Drink plenty of water, warm tea, and natural juices. It is preferable to avoid caffeine and carbonated drinks as they can cause dehydration. Steam. Inhaling steam helps relieve nasal congestion. You can add drops of essential oils such as peppermint or eucalyptus oil. Over-the-counter medications. Decongestants to relieve nasal congestion. Pain relievers to relieve headaches and body aches. Antihistamines to reduce the symptoms of accompanying allergies. Honey and lemon. Mix a spoonful of honey with the juice of half a lemon and a cup of warm water. This drink is a natural soother for the throat and an immune booster. Dealing with chronic cough. Chronic cough may be the result of several causes, such as allergies, asthma, or chronic respiratory infections. Here are some steps. Diagnosing the cause. Visit a doctor to conduct the necessary tests, such as X-rays and lung function tests. Determine the main cause of cough, such as smoking, allergies, or chronic infections. Avoid irritants. Avoid smoking and any source of smoke. Avoid strong perfumes and dust. Use humidifiers. Turn on a humidifier at home. This helps reduce dry throat and irritation of the airways. Natural remedies. Ginger. It has anti-inflammatory and cough-soothing properties. Boil with water and drink twice a day. Turmeric, added to warm milk. It helps soothe the airways and strengthen immunity. Medications and medical treatments. Bronchodilators, especially if the cough is related to asthma. Antibiotics, used only if the cough is caused by a bacterial infection. Cough medicines, to relieve symptoms. Tips to boost immunity. Diet. Eat foods rich in vitamin C, such as oranges and kiwi. Include sources of zinc in the diet, such as nuts and legumes. Physical activity. Exercise regularly to improve blood circulation. Adequate sleep. Maintain a regular sleep schedule and get 7 to 8 hours of sleep daily. Dealing with colds and chronic coughs requires a combination of self-care and medical treatment when needed. Taking care of immunity and avoiding irritants are two essential keys to prevention and treatment. We wish you good health and wellness.